Today we are going to tell you about the geography of India and why you should not go to see any geographical feature outside our country. India is situated north of the equator between 8°4 north mainland to 37°6 north latitude and 68°7 east to 97°25 east longitude. It is the 7th largest country in the world, with a total area of 3,287,263 square kilometers. India measures 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. It has a land frontier of 15,200 kilometers and a coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers. On the south, India projects into and is bounded by the Indian Ocean, in particular by the Arabian Sea on the west, the Lakshadweep Sea to the southwest, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and the Indian Ocean proper to the south. The Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar separate India from Sri Lanka to its immediate southeast, and the Maldives are some 125 kilometers to the south of India's Lakshadweep Islands across the 8-degree channel. India's Andaman and Nicobar Islands, some 1,200 kilometers southeast of the mainland, share maritime borders with Myanmar, Thailand, and Indonesia. The southernmost tip of the Indian mainland, 8°438 N, 77°31 56 E, is just south of Kanyakumari, while the southernmost point in India is Indira Point on Great Nicobar Island. The northernmost point, which is under Indian administration, is Indira Col, Siachen Glacier. India's territorial waters extend into the sea to a distance of 12 nautical miles or 22.2 kilometers from the coast baseline. India has the 18th largest exclusive economic zone of 2,305,143 kilometers square. The northern frontiers of India are defined largely by the Himalayan mountain range, where the country borders China, Bhutan, and Nepal. Its western border with Pakistan lies in the Karakoram and western Himalayan ranges, Punjab Plains, the Thar Desert, and the Rann of Kutch salt marshes. In the far northeast, the Chin and Kachin Hills, deeply forested mountainous regions, separate India from Burma. On the east, its border with Bangladesh is largely defined by the Garo Khasi Jaintia and Mizo Hills, and the watershed region of the Indo-Gangetic Plain. The Ganga is the longest river originating in India. The Ganga-Brahmaputra system occupies most of northern, central, and eastern India, while the Deccan Plateau occupies most of southern India. K2 is the second highest mountain in the world, and highest in India. It is situated in Gilgit-Baltistan region in the Karakoram ranges. Then Kanchenjunga, in the Indian state of Sikkim, is the second highest point in India, at 8,586 m, 28,169 feet, and the world's third highest peak. Now for surprise and tourism angle, India also has active dormant and extinct volcanoes at Barren Island in Andaman, and Nicobar Islands, which are active since 2017, then Dosi Hill in Haryana, which is dormant since around 750 million years ago, and Tosham Hills in Haryana, which is extinct since about 732 million years ago. It has splendid beaches, its own coral reefs, various lakes, snow-capped mountains, evergreen forests, mangrove forests, deserts both cold in the Ladakh Union Territory and hot in the state of Rajasthan called Thar. Interestingly enough, India also has all 4 seasons and tons of flora and fauna in the 4 different biodiversity hotspots recognized internationally, which are the Himalayas, Indo-Burma region, including Andaman Islands, the Western Ghats, and the last Sundaland, which includes Nicobar Islands. India is also a paradise for bird watchers, dolphin lovers, elephant friends, tiger enthusiasts, and turtle that is olive Ridley turtle seekers. India also has only left population of Asiatic lions and Bengal white tigers. Write in the comments where we find all these creatures in India. Thanks for watching. Do share this video with all friends and family to let them know we have everything in our country, and don't forget to subscribe Knowledge Talkies daily.